All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are almost down to the end here. So we are on the module that's going to run from December 9th to December 15th. Our big thing here is that we are having our Chapter 5 assessment. So if we go to look at the information, our assignments are the Chapter 5 assessment. That is due December 9th at midnight. Remember that we have a big due date coming here. That December 9th at midnight, we have all of the Chapter 5 materials that are due. So the Chapter 5 assessment opened today and is due today. We have the Chapter 5 homework, which is the slope homework, the slope-intercept form, the point-slope form, the standard form, and the parallel and perpendicular lines. All of that is due today at midnight. We have the quizzes that are the slope quiz, the point-slope form quiz, the slope-intercept form quiz, and the standard form quiz. Those are due tonight. In addition, we have the Chapter 5 review homework that is due. So everything to do with Chapter 5 is due December 9th at midnight. And so that means that starting December 10th, I will go through and move all those grades from Math Excel over to Power School. Now, the final exam review has been open for a couple of days, but if you've been holding off, now is the time after you take your Chapter 5 test that you want to go into Math Excel and complete the the final exam review homework. Note that is due December 16th at midnight. The final exam review, the final exam itself will not open up until December 17th. December 17th is our final exam review day. Is our final exam day. It will open in Math Excel on December 17th and it will close on December 17th. So you have just that one day to take the final exam. Please note that there are review sessions every day at noon. So Thursday, December 10th, Friday, December 11th, Monday, December 14th, Tuesday, December 15th, Wednesday, December 16th, all the way up until the final exam day itself. We have a final exam review session at noon. If you have any questions, please Canvas inbox me and ask me whatever you need to know. Have a good day.